Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by fixing the basics that cause Edge to show connection isn't private. First, set your system clock and time zone correctly because TLS certificates fail when the time is off. Next, move off untrusted Wi-Fi and try a known network or hotspot to rule out captive portals. Finally, make sure you have admin access or router login details. These let you flush DNS and restart network equipment when needed. Once done, proceed to in-browser checks. You'll now address browser and DNS causes. First, clear Edge cache and cookies so stale certificate info won't persist. This removes temporary TLS hiccups. Then flush the DNS cache from an elevated command prompt with ipconfig/flushtons to remove bad name resolutions that point to wrong servers. Inspect the site certificate by clicking the padlock. Look at issuer and validity dates to spot expired or mismatched certs. If the cert chain looks wrong, finish with deeper troubleshooting that resolves persistent errors. Temporarily disable antivirus or HTTPS scanning features because they sometimes intercept and resign certificates. If that fixes it, adjust settings rather than leaving protections off. Update Windows and Edge so TLS libraries and root stores are current. Expired root updates cause validation failures. Restart your router and test the same site on another device to determine if the issue is local. If problems continue, one key tip: recreate the issue with a browser profile or different browser to isolate user profile corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.